If you're wondering how to use Twitter on X, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics step by step so you can log in, set up your profile, start following people, post your first update, and interact with content on X with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your account using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main X dashboard, and from there, you can start customizing your account. The first thing I recommend doing is setting up your profile, because that helps other people recognize who you are and makes your account look complete. On the left-hand side, click the profile option in the navigation menu, then click Edit Profile. This is where you can upload a profile picture, add a header banner, and write a short bio that tells people who you are or what your account is about. A good profile setup can make a big difference, especially if you want to use X for personal branding, networking, news, or content creation. Take a moment to fill out the details carefully because this is the first impression people will get when they visit your page. Next, let's talk about finding content and following accounts. At the top of the page, use the search bar to type in a topic, a keyword, or a username. This is one of the easiest ways to discover people, brands, creators, and conversations that match your interests. When you find an account you want to keep up with, just click follow. That way, their posts can start showing up in your feed. On your home feed, you'll usually see two main tabs, For You and Following. The For You tab shows algorithmic recommendations based on your activity, while the Following tab shows posts only from the accounts you already follow. If you want a more curated timeline, stick with Following. If you want to discover new content, switch to For You. Knowing the difference between these two feeds helps you control what kind of content you see every day. Now let's move on to posting. To create your own post, click the Post button, sometimes still called Tweet by many users, at the bottom of the left side menu. This opens the post composer. Type your message into the text box, and if you want to make your post more engaging, you can add photos, GIFs, or even polls using the icons below the text area. This is a great way to make your content stand out and encourage more interaction. Once your message is ready, click Post to publish it. Your post will then appear on your profile and in the feeds of people who follow you, depending on how X distributes it. If you're just getting started, don't worry about making every post perfect. The more you use X, the more comfortable you'll get with writing, sharing, and joining conversations. Another important part of using X is interacting with other people's posts. Under each post, you'll see a few key icons. The speech bubble lets you reply, the 2 arrows let you repost, which used to be called retweeting, and the heart lets you like a post. These are the main ways to engage with content, show support, and join discussions on the platform. A reply starts a conversation, a repost shares the content with your followers, and a like is a quick way to show appreciation. If you want to use X more effectively, remember to explore, follow accounts you trust, and engage respectfully. Spend a little time checking your feed, searching for topics you care about, and posting when you have something useful or interesting to share. That's the easiest way to get comfortable with the platform. And that's it. Now you know how to use Twitter on X, from logging in and setting up your profile to following accounts, posting updates, and engaging with other users. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.